So almost from 7,000, it has gone to 5,932. And I believe the premiums has also crashed. Good, good, good. The premiums are crashing big time. And it is still stuck around the territory. 429. Can it go towards that 400 odd mark? We will try to add some more positions. If not, we will try to trail it because our average is somewhere around that 430 odd mark. Once it crosses the 440, 442, we will try to trail this. This is going to be a crucial candle. Whenever the market is moving towards that resistance zone, see whether the market is moving with the volume or not. If it is not moving with the volume, there is not going to be a strong possibility of these guys breaking it. They might go above the VWAP just to test your patience. Some of them weekends would be booking or keeping their stop losses at these levels. Their stop losses will get triggered. So this is the area wherein the real fall started, and they will try to defend that at least once. So we got it somewhere around 430. Now it is at 435, 440 odd levels. Let's see whether it is able to cross that 450 odd mark. Is this getting a resistance? As a scalper, we are already getting close to 3,000, 4,000 actually. That should be more than sufficient if you are a small-time scalper who wanted to make some money, quickly get an exit. Or if you feel that you wanted to place it trailing, then you can do that. But I think the market is just hovering around the territory. I'm not comfortable with that. I'm just waiting for it to cross that 45K mark. Nope. We will keep it at 37,500 as of now. 46. The volatility is little there because it is near to the resistance area. Oh, no. It got triggered. It's okay. So as a trader, these are the small opportunities which we needed to make use of it. So once it is going near to the resistance, did I not share that the blue line will be a resistance? We showed you the support, we showed you the resistance. Beginning of the day, we determined where exactly the market is going to be doing it. It looks like market wanted to exactly say and clearly say that. You guys are learning it well. Am I manipulating it? I'm standing right in front of you. We drawn the line morning itself. We showed this is what it is. And the market is literally doing that. Anyway, so what was the key criteria which I was saying that? That is the important thing. Don't look at just the candle getting formed. You just look at the volume also getting formed. If it is not moving with the volume, if it is not breaking this red bar with a large tower here, there is every possibility there might be some supply coming in, or the seller who's been hiding the position, they will try to drag the markets once again. That's exactly been happening. Okay, let the markets do it. It's time for some action, and then we will do some more things. Okay, so you guys wanted to go for the lucky draw first, or you wanted to go for the quiz first? I think we are still having some people having the lunch. Let them have the lunch and come back. Yeah. Correct. No, for me, I always keep trailing it. So wherever it closes, I don't care whether it gives me 10 points, 15 points. Once I know this is in a 4 or 5K, if I'm getting it, with a 300, 400 quantity, what more I need on that particular trade? As a scalper, your mind should be fixed. You should not be thinking, it is going to go there, I will hold my position. That's where we get trapped. Sometimes we will see the profit around 5K, we won't book it, then it will go to 0, and it will go to 5K in negative, then we will book it. That mindset will need to be getting changed. Now, probably you might get one round of support here. Considering it has moved, the WMA might act at one round of support here. There is a possibility. But anyway, let's move on that one. Let the market do it. So how many of you are ready for the quiz? How many of you are comfortable in OI pulse and one click and everything? Great. But before doing that, I will give you like a spot to move. Is this going live? Live? Oh, okay. Okay, so are you guys ready for the spot the move contest? Raja, can I get the mouse, if possible? One sec. I got it. Just lock it. Okay. Raja, can you do one small help? Can you just move this a bit so that I'll be able to freely walk?
Just a second. First,
Yeah. That's it.
is it fine? Just
Yes, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Done. Okay, so what is this move is all about? You guys are familiar with the charts. Now we have been seeing the charts like in where exactly the move is happening and other things. From morning you have been noticing what are the things which I've been sharing. I want you to address this now. You're going to be spotting the moves where exactly the candles is going to close in the next 9 minutes. Okay? You have 1, 2, 3. 3 candles are going to get closed in the next 9 minutes. Will it close in box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4? But wherever it is, I need with the logic. You cannot just blindly guess. If you are saying it is going to close in number 2 or number 3 or number 4, I want it with the logical answer. No. Like, when you raise your hands, I will ask the questions who had needed to answer, because then everybody will say 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 answers will be coming in and one of you will be right. Okay, I don't want that. Huh? Okay, I'll tell you the indicators as well. This is RSI, volume, VWAP, super trend, WMA. Okay. The question is, in the next 9 minutes, after 9 minutes, that means this is a 3-minute chart. After 9 minutes, where exactly the candle is going to close. Okay? This particular one, the gentleman there in the white, you needed to get up and then say with the logic. What is your answer?
Moving up with a very high volume, above VWAP, super trend, and RSI is not oversold.
Overbought.
Sorry.
But your answer is wrong.
Sir,
Someone else. Okay, the gentleman over there. You need to be a little louder.
It may close in 3 because of RSI is overbought. So RSI will pull back little, and then as the volume is good, so it may retrace RSI a little bit and then go up. So it may close in 3.
You are wrong. Wrong. Now you all have the clue now. The gentleman over there. Yes.
the range between that open and close is very thin. Volume is very high. So the chances of reversing is more.
Which candle? After 4. He just said that. Okay, who was the golden wrong?
Obviously, it's
Number 2.
reason is after the 2 candle, after 3 or 6 minutes, you will all book the profits.
Uh-huh. It's not only the profit booking. Yes, the answer is right. It is number 2. The reason is, if you go and look at this, it's an ascending order. It's not only a 2 candle theory. If you look at it, it's an ascending order. That's a good sign for a 2 candle. And the most important element is RSI. Okay, when it is like an RSI is already like getting towards the 80 zone, you will normally start to see a profit booking happening. Okay, that's the reason you started to see the candle though it is going higher, and then in the third one it started to fall down. So, like you were saying that it is like a hammer or like a long wing on the top, right? When it is an ascending order, normally these guys again try to enter. People like me, we don't care about the long wing or anything. When there is an ascending order with volume, if the RSI is around 75, we try to go on the third candle. That's exactly the reason wherein it has given that. Can we have the gentleman here? We'll have a small price, 100 and over. Open the boxes. Okay. So, I think it's a personally signed book on mine. Okay. Then you can gift it to someone. This is for you. Just see your picture there. Okay, so who's ready for the next one? Guys, come with the thinking. You guys have been seeing the charts. I want you to analyze the charts better. Okay, think about this. Look at the volume, look at the chart, look at where the RSI is, look at where the indicators are. Now you tell me where exactly this particular one would have closed. Gentlemen over here with the logic. Okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Territory of 3. There are some logical reasoning, right? But I think the market didn't meet your expectation. Yes, Murli. 2. Why? Okay. Convincing, but not absolutely convincing, so you are wrong. The gentleman over there with the glasses on. Sorry, I think he is also like an answering. Both of you are wearing a glasses, so my bad. Like an okay, next question I'll come to you. Okay, what is the reason for it to go to 4? Though it is not going to be only a double bottom, your answer is right. 4 is a 1. The reason is, on this particular one, do you see the RSI? RSI is in the no trade zone. Say, for example, if they are trying to break this level, usually it has to go with the volume. Did they give you the 50K volume? No. And moreover, when the RSI is between 40 and 50, they'll try to do a retracement. That exactly has happened. And moreover, as Murli indicated, the indicators are like in the VWAP, the super trend, and other indicators are here. I think your answer was 2. So what they did is, they played for 2 and then came back to 4. Can we have the gentleman here? Yes. So guys, you not only, the reason why we wanted to have this is, you should be able to predict the next move. It is like playing a chess. When you're playing in the market, what will be the next move? What these guys are planning to do? It is a doji. Again, like all these are the in different ways to think about it. Yes. You want a book or the month? Anything is okay. Book. Thank you so much. It's personally autographed. Okay, the next one. I hope people at the back is going to get this opportunity now. Okay, anyone who wanted to give it a try? In the back, the gentleman who was raising the hand in the last row. Can you be little louder? Okay? 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 Spot number 1. Above the buy zone and everything. Good? But it's not the right answer. Anyone else who wanted to try it in the last row? We'll give this round to the last row people. Yeah, over there. Okay, so where exactly the which? Box number? 3. His reasons are more or less valid, and you have got the right answer as well. You can come forward, and I'll just show you that. So, if you look at this, what has happened in this scenario? Is it really a good two-candle theory here? Why? So whenever they are clearing the volume, whenever they are clearing the VWAP, I would love to see a solid green, at least a 50%. We don't want to see a full supply happening, a long wick getting formed. Okay, especially near to the VWAP area. That means the bulls, whoever is punching in, they are not really confident. And if you see that, even if that particular candle is closing, the following candle at least should have the volume to push it up so that the bulls will be able to control it. When you see those two candles consecutively, 3, 1, 2, 3, they are not able to take it, then it's a risk. Even though if you are taking a two-candle theory, it's a risk. That's the reason this particular one, you needed to be really careful. So usually when it happens like this, whatever the candle which gets formed, you'll also see a simultaneous one. Almost similar pattern which will be happening. So this is something which you guys have to be really careful about. Can you come down on the stage? Book or the mug?
Book.
Book. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Work with you.
Absolutely. Okay, this, I think I'll give it for the left side and then we'll go for the right side. So people who are on the left side, this is an interesting one. Okay, the gentleman over there. Huh? Yeah, you guys can analyze. Just look at the chart. It formed a two-candle theory here, and then started to pull back, and then it is broken the super trend. It went all the way to the VWAP, similar to what is happening today. It broke down and then went all the way to the VWAP. Now, where exactly is it goes? In another 9 minutes.
So I can see the RSI has come down.
Okay.
You can see a lot of selling from the super trend to the moving average, and it is very difficult for it to sustain. So it is number 4.
Number 4. Interesting. But it's a wrong answer. Wrong. Last one. Number 1. What is the reason? No, it is not oversold. It is at 40 to 50 days. Oversold is below. I'm just keeping a no trade zone there. This is a no trade zone. The 40 and 50 is normally a no trade zone. Okay. Okay. So his answer is number 1. His logical answer is right, but though the convincing reason is, as I told you, you got the two candle, you can come forward, you got the two candle. Due to the RSI overbought everything, you got a pullback. And then these guys are trying to defend that level and they couldn't. And when it came below, to almost to the VWAP level, they pumped in the volume again. That's a key point. Okay, so they are not willing to let it go of that particular level. And Considering it has been moving higher, and if you go and look at the OI data on that particular day, the trending OI would have also been supporting it. That's the reason it went, again, taking a support here, not letting the bats, and then closing it at number 1. Please come. Okay, so this time, this side, the right side. Wow, this is an easy one. Yes, I missed out last time on you. Okay?
Force
4.
because of the high volume and it has broken on everything.
So you're fully convinced. You're entering on the third candle and you will go to 4. He is right. He is right. The reason is, it's like a straightforward one. It's a straightforward one purely because it just went down. Third candle is our entry. Perfect opportunity. You are getting a green candle, we will enter anywhere. Fourth candle and fifth candle is more than sufficient for us to make money. Come forward. So ideally, this is a very good one in terms of the 2 candle theory. If someone who's really looking at it, when it is breaking the VWAP, this is how we wanted the candle formation to be. And if it is consecutive volumes and everything, easy, look for that, make money. That 1 candle is enough for us to make 40, 50 bucks, get out of the trade. You want to book? Okay, next, we have another 5 more questions on the radar. This is for the front row. Wait. Okay, the gentleman over here. Yes. Easy one, right? Come forward, you collected. 2 candle theory has become like an hit. So people who, the reason why I keep insisting on this is, 2 candle theory, the probabilities is going to be higher. But at the same time, there will be a trap also late. Not necessary, every 2 candle theory will give you the result. These are straightforward ones. Why it is a straightforward one? RSI is good, ascending order, all the candles are going higher, and you're getting the VWAP, super trend, and then the clear WMA. Everything is moving good, and you still have approve. That's the reason the following one, it's exactly moving higher. And this particular day, when you're seeing consecutive bars of 5, 6 ascending order with the volume, any given time, if it is giving you a pullback, it will give you one round of a big support. Make use of it. Make use of it. Okay, come forward. Book or not. Okay, this time, I think the third row, 1, 2, 3, yeah, third row. Anyone from the third row, you will be able to answer. Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Absolutely. See you guys soon. Bye, bully. Thank you. Okay, this one. Third row. The gentleman in blue shirt. This is an interesting one. 4. What is the reason? Volume candle. But unfortunately, that's not the right answer. I want someone from the third row. Okay, the gentleman in the glasses there. 2. What is the reason? Mike, you can use the mic.
It will go to the resistance area first. Test the resistance.
Okay, but no, wrong answer. Okay, the gentleman there.
They were not able to. So you can see a big support which is there at day's low somewhere around. So I think it should go to 1.
So people who ask me, Shiva, like, if I get, instead of 2 candle theory, if I get in a single candle 150K, will I go and take a trade? No. As you said, they came and then went all the way higher. And
Yeah, I said 1.
yes, come forward. That's the reason. That's the reason. Come forward. So, oh, sorry. Is this the previous one? Yeah. Got it? So exactly what they did is, don't believe in the one candle theory. 90% of the time, these are all like an algo driven. They will try to trap you. Always wait for the follow-up. Look at this. This is just like in a big wig getting formed with a lot of support coming in at the lower levels. And this will be like in a trap. Imagine if you'd have entered thinking that it is a big, large volume candle, and if you're entering it, your stop loss would have been easily triggered by at least by 200 points. Okay? So we have the one click on one side, white on the other. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So this is an interesting one. Again, wow. Let me see who's going to get this. This one is for the 5th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row. Yes. You need to be a little louder. You can use the mic.
Yeah, it is overall negative candle. And volume is negative, means the put side. Super trend and V up, everything is up. So it may be 3.
It may be 3.
Yes.
No, it's wrong. Someone from the 5th row. Huh? Number 4. Why? 2 candle theory. But RSI is extremely oversold. You didn't see that, right?
It's not visible for me. Sorry.
But still you got the answer right. Come here. So guys, sometimes we tend to don't foresee that. Be careful. We might see the 2 candle theory in everything, but at the end of the day, there are small elements which also matters a lot. This has been a lucky one for him. Though he didn't see the RSI, he would have made profit. But not every time it will happen. What would have happened in an alternate scenario is, this is an ascending order, like you are getting the volume, but there is a probability from here, it would have just jumped from here to 1 also. In this scenario, he was lucky enough. But not every time the luck will favor you. But in this scenario, considering all the ascending order and everything, if it is making a move towards the super trend and the VWAP, I would have absolutely taken another round of a rejection trade. Golden crossover, right? Yeah, that's also like not a golden crossover, it's just that's okay. Okay, last 2. Okay, this one for the girls. It's an easy one. Anyone who wanted to try? No one. Okay. Yes, ma'am. RSI is oversold. Use the mic there. Yes.
So it may go back for retracing to the level 2.
Level 2.
Or till the level 1, blue. Because
You
it is
decide yourself. 2 or 1. Already you can get it.
Actually, as per 2 candle theory, everything is right.
Okay.
So only due to the RSI level, it have to go up for the
Okay.
retracement.
So where exactly
it will
it
go
go
to 2.
Huh?
2.
2. No. Yes, Dimple. It'll stay in 3 only. Why? What is the reason?
As
volume, RSI is oversold, but it will, because of the high volume, it will be in sideways type, like, you know.
You had valid reasons, but it didn't do that.
Okay.
Okay, someone else from the girls, like, and we are answering this particular question is for the girls. Anyone else who wanted to try? We have only 2 options left. Last, okay, there is a girl, like, and from the last row. Can someone take the mic there?
So looking at the volume and RSI, I think it will close at 4. Since the trend is also negative.
Okay, you're looking at next 3 candles, not the only candle.
Okay.
So you're sticking with the 4.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that's not the right answer. In school, we used to do that. If we know the answer, we'll try to like pull someone's hand. Okay, but I want the logical reason now.
Go up and try to retest up.
Retrace from that particular level. Okay, so that's almost right. Here, the points to be remembered. Though it has been falling from volume, okay, on certain days, not only this particular chart we are going to be looking at, certain days, you will also be seeing a big fall happening on the daily chart, and you might see some support coming in on the daily chart as well. On this particular day, if you see it, from morning it has been giving you the 2 candle moves. It's not only now, from almost morning it has been steadily falling. Imagine after 500, 600 point fall, you will get some kind of a support coming in. Okay, and moreover, it would be like in a normal support levels. And RSI is also giving you a clue that Shiva, towards the second half, I'm just trying to do some kind of a bounce and other things. Exactly from here, it bounced, went, didn't respect the super trend. This is one of those days where the super trend is not getting respected. Okay, you guys asked me, right, Shiva, every time should I take a trade in the super trend? Not every time. Out of 10 times, 8 times it might give you the result, 2 times it may fail like this. Because it has been falling from morning. Okay, and then you will get the resistance over there. So though it broke, it is almost not exactly to the VWAP level, but still it is manageable. So please come. Yes, again it will fall. It's just a retracement. But if it is going to be after 2:30, then it will be a different one. Where's the photograph? We are posing for it. Okay, it's okay. Come on, click it so that it will. Okay, last one, I leave it to the open house. But it's an easy one. I wanted to see. Okay, the gentleman who's folding the hands. Because everybody is raising it. So we'll see what is this logic in case.
It's pure guess, 1.
It'll be 1.
Yeah.
What makes you think it's 1? No. So you're still not sure? 3, why?
First reason, it's near VWAP. And there will be a rejection from there.
Okay, it's not near to the VWAP, it's near to the super trend. Maybe it can go up to the VWAP.
Near to the super trend. So the first rejection would come from the super trend, and the RSI is reverting from the 40 zone, and there is no enough volume for the buyers to move in. So it will come back to that level mostly, and then what happens?
So level, final level?
3.
3, but wrong. Yes. Behind you. Huh? 1 or 2? 2.
It will be close to the super trend. So,
guys, you are getting already a clue in that chart. The gentleman over there with the glass, yes. Yes. 4. What is the reason? Sorry?
After 2 candle theory, pullback is without volume. There is a resistance in RSI, the 40 level. And there is
ascending order. Ascending order.
And
you are getting 2 consecutive 2 candles, plus
rejection
it formed,
from
RSI went, it is going there. What is the RSI clue you're getting it?
Down.
It's getting a fall?
Yes.
That means, will the candle go up when the RSI is falling? It will. That's the reason I asked you for the clue there. Sorry. So, where exactly this oh, sorry, not this one, right? Did I go? Yeah. So, you are getting a clue based on the RSI also. When it is going near to the territory, using the RSI also, we can take a trade. That's exactly the clue which I'm looking for it. When you have so much volume which is getting played on the downside, if it is not playing with the volume on the upside, you can expect the resistance to be happening. Please come forward. Sorry. Okay, you want the book or a mug? Book. So it's a personally autographed one. Okay, so we are done with this one. Now I'll go into the next level. You guys have been at least decoding some stuff about the OI pulse and the one click. Let me check your knowledge on OI pulse and how you have been using it. Are you ready? This one. Question is simple. Can you identify a trending OI crossover from the image below? I don't want the answer. I will ask the person to answer it. That's right. The crossover is happening at 12:15. What is a crossover? Do you see this? The OI, both on the call and the put side, where exactly the call OI is getting reduced or increasing, and then the put OI is getting reduced. From 12:15, if you see the data, from 54 it went to 70, 75 to 54. What is the clue there? That means they are changing the direction. Someone who is like making a move, if you have been writing the puts from here, you needed to start writing the calls, we will start to buy the puts. So a directional change is something which we needed to look at, and that's exactly trending OI feature gives you that clue. So the trending OI crossover happens at 12:15 as shown in the trending OI graph. This can also be identified from where the call OI surpasses the put OI from the median. So this is key. When you're looking at the chart, it will give you the crossover, right? That's the trending OI crossover strategy which we use. Clear now? So guys, these are the minor things which will happen in the chart wherein we needed to notice for us to know when to shift the direction. If you'd have been a call buyer through the day, this would have given me the clue that, Shiva, close all your call position. By this time, the move also would have happened above the VWAP. We will go on the put side. Okay? Congratulations. The next. So this is the answer. So can you see that clue? So clearly the OI is falling on the put side. The call OI is moving higher and higher. And towards the second half, after 2:30, we normally disregard. That's the reason I asked all your strategies, try to formulate whatever that you're doing between 10 and 2:30. So that will be helpful. Okay, the next question. How many of you use the option spurts, OI spurts data? Okay. In this option spurts feature, how do you analyze the strength of the buyers or sellers of a particular strike? don't want the repeated faces actually. I wanted to hear from something new. Yes. Can we have the mic here?
On the long build-up side, it's showing actually 50% change in price, and all the CE's call strikes are there, and 50% change in OA as well. And on the same side, on the short build-up, it is Bank Nifty, actually it is not Nifty, so they both are different.
Okay, so you got the clue. So we also wanted to twist it to see whether you are identifying that. We have the call side with the Nifty, put side with the Bank Nifty. Okay, because we were not looking to see whether how keen you are looking at the data. Not only the numbers, see what you are looking at. So if you look at it, our Q1 parameter, for us to go as a long buyer, we needed to have a 50% increase in OI, 50% increase in price. Both the parameters are getting fulfilled here. So when it is getting fulfilled, then we will go on that particular direction. Provided it is in the money or at the money strike, then it will help us to go in that particular direction. Similarly, when we have that, we also needed to have the other parameter getting fulfilled on the other side so that the sellers are focusing on one side. So what the sellers will require, 50% fall in the price, 50% increase in the OI. So these two parameters is something which we can get it from the OI spurts data. Please come forward. So this is something which you can easily track using that. But Raja, whenever it is making this 50% rule, we'll try to change the color in highlighted one, so that it is easy for us to look at it. So you guys can analyze the next question by the time we will. Okay. So what is the OI interpretation of 46,100 call between 11.5 to 11.50, 14.50 to 15.20? I wouldn't ask you. Wait, I wanted some new faces. Yes. Huh?
Long build-up and short build-up.
That's a wrong answer. Yes. Again, a wrong answer.
Short covering. Yeah. No, the other one is short covering.
This one is short covering.
No. That one is short
this one
covering.
Is short covering.
Yes.
This one?
This is price. This is.
The blue line is the OI.
Yeah. This is long build-up. Short build-up, sorry.
You have used all four options which are available.
Short covering, short build-up and short covering.
No. One sec. I know now everybody would be jumping in because she has given all the four options. Okay, the gentleman over here. Wrong. I never expected you were so eager, and then I thought, okay, the gentleman behind, sorry. Yes. Okay.
Okay, so the OA is decreasing, the price is increasing, that means short covering, and the right side is OI increasing, the price is decreasing, that means long unwinding.
Is right. When the price is increasing, OI is decreasing, that is called as short covering. Short covering means someone who has sold the position, he is taking his position back and he is ready to buy it at any price. That's the reason the price shoots up. Towards the late end, I ask you guys to avoid the trading, right? 230 to 330. The reason is, anybody who wanted to, okay, sorry. Oh, sorry, this one is wrong. Sorry, this one is wrong. This one is wrong.
First one is short covering.
Correct. Correct. This is the one. I know, but yeah, gentlemen, you can come forward. This is short build-up. It's not OI is falling, OI is climbing big towards the late end, and then the price is falling drastically. That is called a short build-up. Guys, we have 4 quadrants. I'll just tell you in a simple term. What is Q1? Long build up, price going up, OI going up. Price going down, OI going up, short build up. Price going up, OI going down, short covering. Price going down, OI going down, long unwinding. Simple. In this, 1 and 3 is for the buyers, 2 and 4 is for the sellers. Congratulations. Okay, the next one. So this is what it is. Short covering and then the short build up. Fall in OI, rise in price, short covering. Short build up, rise in OI, fall in price. This is an interesting one. Why are there negative values in the change, call and change in OI in the trading OI feature? Many people ask me, right? Shiva, how come it can come in the negative? OI is how it is negative. Why it is a negative? I need the proper answer. You have to get up, like, and use the mic, please. Let me see. Okay.
Positional calls are unwinding.
Positional calls are unwinding. Who's unwinding it?
Call traders.
That's what I wanted to know. So when the position, say for example, how we can identify, imagine if I would have taken some positions today, okay, and I'm carrying it tomorrow. But tomorrow there is not enough positions getting created. Then someone is covering it, then yesterday's position is what? Getting covered. That's the reason you normally see that trending OI data sometimes going in the negative on one side, either on the call or on the put side. But if it is happening on the call side, can you see what has happened here? The prices? Decreasing. But usually this is like almost a data wherein they should have been increasing it. But if you see it after that, they have started to increase. Okay? So ideally, someone covering the positions from previous day usually occurs like this. Can we have the gentleman on the stage, please? Okay. So this is the answer. Negative values indicate the call writers who had returned the calls prior to today have covered their positions. This is why it's shown in negative values, as they were not part of today's change in OI. So next question. You guys analyze it. I'll be back. Okay. So a short covering and price increasing on the put side in big OI movement feature. How many of you use big OI? That's a very good feature wherein you will be able to get some good clues. The big OI movement feature indicates a bullish sentiment or a bearish sentiment. Quick answer. Why it is a bearish sentiment? It's creating a short covering here. Absolutely right. Normally we tend to think the other way. So when the short covering is happening on the put side, that means people are expecting the market to fall more. The futures is expected to fall more. The spot is expected to fall more. So put prices are going to be increasing. That clue is already given there. Then, once the move has started, then they have started adding positions on the call side. Okay? So please come. That's a very logical answer. That's what I would be expecting it from all of you. Think from that perspective, why it is being done. Why someone is trying to cover the positions on one side. Okay, whether it is going to be a bullish move or a bearish move. Okay. The next one. As per the Rindex contribution feature, Reliance has a positive LTP. Okay? So this particular day, Reliance moved more than 2%. LTP is around 2910, which is roughly about 60 rupees. But the index contribution is showing me only 44. Is it a bug? Is it a bug? I need a logical answer. Can someone pass the mic if possible? Guys, just give me a second.
It's a Reliance weightage for Nifty index.
So, how it has been calculated? Why the 60 points is not given then?
It's calculated based on some points, and it's not actual, points. It's
so each
went up or
index
down.
stocks as an weightage, and Reliance is the largest index heavyweight. So not necessary that just because 60-point move is happening in the Reliance, you will get the 60 point in the index. No. Based on the weightage provided to the Nifty 50 stocks, each stocks based on their moves, if there is a 60-point move, you will get 44. It's like in a delta. So if the delta is 1, you will get the entire move. If the delta is only 0.7, then you will get only 0.7%. So that's the reason you are getting that 44 points. Many people still get confused. Shiva, I see Reliance moving 60 points, but in the index contribution, it shows only 44. But the contribution is not based on the number of points it's moving, it's based on the weightage. So don't directly correlate. How many of you never thought about this? This is something which you are learning new. Good, good, good. At least few of you are getting to know. Can we have you on stage, please? Guys, these are the things which I want you to learn. So it's not a bug. It indicates 44.53 points as Reliance contribution to the Nifty of 226 points. Okay, this is going to be on the open and high, which you guys saw it today. The question is going to be based on that. What a mug or a book? Oh, we just scroll down? Okay, I think. Create a winning mindset. Okay. The gentleman in the yellow t-shirt there. Can you, they're coming with the mic. Just give me a second. So what are the parameters we should check in open and high strategy page before we enter into a trade?
It should be batch and 90%.
Okay.
Then only be eligible to enter the OH.
So currently there is only 1 or 2 batches left. So you will look for 90% and then?
Batch.
The batch.
Yes.
You're almost there. I will give it to them. So I wanted to see whether you are because since only 2 strikes were there, I'll give it to both of you. The reason is, more importantly, don't go and look at OTMs or deep in the money. Okay, so we will normally look at in the money or at the money strikes from the median.
Okay.
Okay, so please come forward.
Thanks.
So he almost got it. Probability should be 90%, and we should be getting a badge on the top. Plus, always try to shoot for the open and high, which is in the money or at the money strike. Don't go for the OTMs. Don't go for deep ITMs, because that's where they would not have put in enough money for you to make. So don't try to do that. Okay. Now it's time for the one click. How many of you use the favorite settings in one click? In favorite settings in one click, when you set a predefined stop loss and target, what happens when you refresh the window? Yes.
What I've heard from you.
Uh-huh.
So once you refresh, the stop loss moves up or down as based on the current price.
Absolutely right. Yes, listen to the conversation today. This particular point I mentioned it. When you refresh it, many people told me, Shiva, I placed my stop loss at 10, 20, whatever it is. But when I refreshed it, it has gone to the level from where the current LTP is. Because it is a local stop loss which we have set it. So you cannot refresh the page. If you are refreshing the page, or if you are closing and opening the window, the stop loss will take effect from the current LTP. So never do that. Please come over. Okay, so never do that. Don't try to refresh it. So we have clearly mentioned it here below the stop loss also. If predefined stop loss is set, whenever you refresh your one-click window or open it again, all the open orders will have a predefined stop loss from its LTP. Guys, when you are giving some instructions below, please read it. You guys are only ready to type the orders, no instructions need like in red. Okay, please do that. There is an option to look the option chain from the one click itself. Where can you see it from? Many people ask me, Shiva, where can I see the option chain? I've never seen it in one click. There is an option to see it. I want the exact term that we are using it. Nobody cheating. Nobody looking at the screen now. Okay, there. No. Sorry? Option? Option list. You are right. So if you see the window, there will be an action list, show action list. So in case if you guys are thinking where I can see the option chain page from the one-click page itself, just click on this. It will automatically open up that option chain page where you will be able to place the basket order from there. Please now move. The next one. No, we want. Each one has to. The gentleman with the specs in the black shirt. Wait. You keep like it. Okay, what is the answer?
You have an info link over there. You can just toggle your mouse. You will get to see the reason. For
info link. Okay. So which page you will be able to see that?
It's in the order book.
Order book. What he said is right. Many a times you guys say my orders are getting rejected and I do not know why. Everything is getting displayed on that particular page where the order book is available. All you needed to do is click on the order book. There will be a message called info. Here, your broker would have given you the response, what is the reason for you to have that particular rejection. Either it may be a shortfall, or you might have placed excess positions, or it might have closed. Whatever it is, you will be able to see that. Can we have you on stage? Yes, please come. Okay, the next. I think we might have one or two last. This is going to be a tricky one. This is going to be the most toughest question of all. No. First and foremost, I want the numbers. And then we will go into, I want you to list down all those numbers. Still, I haven't got the right one. You guys haven't used the one click at all then for me. Huh? Huh? Anyone said 9? Who was that? Who said 9 here? You said 9? Anyone raising the hand with 9? You said 9? 9. 9. Answer it. Where?
Keeping the MTM.
Keeping the M2M, okay.
The second one, in the trade book, you can exit by giving 25%, 50%, or 100%.
Okay. 2.
The third one is you can set the predefined target. It automatically exits.
Okay.
The fourth one is you can predefine stop loss. It automatically exits.
That both will be 1 for me. Okay.
Okay. And the next, you can exit with If you have taken a buy call, you can exit with sell.
Okay.
Buy put, you can exit with.
Okay.
Sell.
That's one again, 5.
Then from the order book, you can exit.
Order book, you can exit the entire close button.
Yes.
Okay.
Then close all positions is there.
Okay.
That you can exit. And when you are close all positions means for multiple trades at a time you can exit. And
that you have mentioned it, close all positions.
And if you have a basket order, you can exit all the orders once.
Okay.
And I don't know how much is.
One more pending. He has answered 8, but he got almost, I think you needed to give it to him, guys. Like, and he has almost got. There are 9 ways to exit your position in one click. Normally, you will see only 1 or 2 options given, but we have given you 9 ways to exit your position. First, you can click on the sell button for the positions which you bought, or you have the vice versa. You can do that. Next, you can use the stop loss and the target, the predefined target and the stop loss. Next, you can use the M2M profit and loss. When you're setting the M2M profit or a loss, it will get an exit. Close all positions when you're clicking that, it will close. Then action button, we have it on each line item and X mark to close the position. Partial exit, the action tab, 25%, 50%, 75%. Then the basket order exit. Then you can use the arrow keys to exit. Yeah, buy and sell, like, and you can click on the mouse, you can click on the keyboard as well. The last one is the limit order exit, which you said. So almost in 9 ways, you will be able to exit your positions in one click. Please come forward. I think it has been all given out, but if you're lucky enough, we will get it in the lucky draw. Okay, so with that, what is the time now? Almost 2:45. So we are coming towards a late end. Like, I'll quickly see where the market is. The market went near to the VWAP, getting you a perfect resistance. The day belonging to the bears. One sec, I'll just close this. It's a perfect one. Good move towards a VWAP. No strength. Why it will be like a very good opportunity for you to sell it near to that? You guys learned everything today. When it goes near to the VWAP, without the volume, you can expect one round of resistance. And the most important thing is the data was also showing you that, right? The trending OI, still it is around 6.5 to 3.5. The positional also 7.05 to 3.5. It is like huge, more than 50%. And any move from here, they're just going to be playing for the day. Time is almost at 2:45. So it has been a writer's day. Writers have been enjoying it. They gave us minimum opportunities. We also made money. They also made money. We should be enjoying it. So that's how the market action has been done. So now, it is time for us to look for the device. The launch device is going to go in one of your hands. Followed by which, I have a small surprise also for you guys. We will see if anyone who's going to be interested for that. First and foremost, we promised you this device is going to be in one of your hands starting today. So we will like to see the lucky winner. Followed by that, we will also pick up 10, wherein you will be getting personally autographed book from my end, the latest book, Trading, the game all about mindset. So you will be getting, 10 of you will be getting the book. And I hope all of you have given your registrations card, which has been given along with the ID card. Have you given it? Has it been dropped? My card is there? Okay. So what I will do is, rather than me picking it, what? You missed it. Anyone else like him? Yeah, you can pass it. Guys, can someone pass it, the cards which is there in the back? Anyone else, just check it. It will be behind your ID cards. I hope all of you have dropped it. Huh? Yeah. Please call. Yeah, we'll have an outsider. They should not be seeing that like, and I'm fixing this. Yes. Okay, there is one more coming up. Great. I will just jumble it as much as possible. Sorry? You have kept your card like in the bottom, right? Are you able to see it? You may never know. The person who's going to pick up the card is coming from the back. You may never know whether he's going to take it from the bottom or from the top. Amit, we wanted you to do a small favor. I don't want it to be a fixed match. If I pick it, they will say, like in Shiva, you fix the match. So we are calling in a guy from the brokerage firm. So Amit is going to do the honors. So first, you're going to pick one card, which is for the one-click device, the ROG Ally device. Okay. Followed by that, you're going to be picking 10 cards. First, we will announce the winner for the one-click device. Then we will be distributing 10 books for the remaining participants. So you have to, yes, all their names are here. You're going to close your eyes. And then you're going to put your hand inside, choose whatever. Our gentleman here, he has kept the card in the bottom, it seems. I'm just reminding you, okay?
Okay, forgive me, guys. Okay, so.
Okay, so he is closing his eyes.
See, I tried the bottom one, I'm mixing everything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, here's the one.
Okay. Okay. Can we get the mic here? I know the name. You have to announce it. The name and then the registration number. Both are there. You're going to announce it. Are you guys ready? Okay, any guesses before we go on?
Okay, I'll make it more interesting. The name starts from... Can I...
No, okay. Anyway, let it be there. Okay. We will give you this. Okay. I'll keep it here. Guys, it is in my pocket. It has to be a surprise, right? Now you will announce the book winners first.
And how many book winners are there?
10.
So we'll start announcing.
Yes.
Rajashekhar T, registration number 5587.
Okay, can we have Rajashekhar here?
One.
Yes, you can pick the next one. Come on, Rajashekhar. You give it to him. Okay, next one. You can.
I'll do the honors now.
You have to do the honors now.
That's Rahul, registration number 5052. Okay, the next lucky person is Anil, registration number 5027.
Anil, 5027. Anil, where are you? Okay, come forward. Still in my pocket. I can change it, right? Oh, it's not yours. Wow. Come on, Anil. Thank you.
Okay, the next one is K. Ejaz Ahmad 5611.
Ejaz Ahmad 5611. Come on. What is that? I didn't get that. 5,000, right? Like, 1 sec, I'll come back. Done. What we did is, we never get the registration number 1 series at all. We know you guys also will be smart. We started the registration from 4,000 series to 5,000. So we did
Okay,
that.
the next one is also from 5. It's Bucci Reddy 5199.
Bucci Reddy 5199. Oh, okay. Congratulations, sir. Please. Thank you so much. Yeah. You can leave this way. Okay.
The next one is Prithvi Rani, registration number 4986.
We also got the 4 series.
Prithvi.
Prithvi.
4986.
Left? Okay, we'll keep that aside. We'll take one more.
Manohar Narasimha 5025.
5025.
Sorry, there are more guys registered with the series 5. Is Satish Selvam, registration number 5187. Okay, the next one is Jabez, registration number 4909. Dhanush 4939.
Dhanush 4939. Okay, the last book after this. Back.
And last but not the least, Mr. Vijay 5010.
The big part. I see the name. You also saw it.
You should announce that actually. I've been announcing it. Yeah.
Okay, in a countdown of.
I think we should play that game saying that, which is, can you guess? Okay, we can give the first letter.
Okay. The registration number starts with 5. Okay. Okay.
Let me
give you the alphabet.
No, but how many people's registration starts with 5? Okay.
Okay, now keep your hands. No,
keep your hands there. Keep your hands like that. Okay. The name. First letter starts with N.
Just keep your hands alone on the top.
Whose registration is starting with 5 and name is starting with letter N?
N. N as in Nagaland. Okay.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow.
The second letter.
Yeah, the second letter is?
The last letter, I think you will easily find out. Second letter, A. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. NA, we have at least 5. Okay, we'll go in a countdown. 5,
3, 2.
And the winner is registration number 5138, Nagaraj GK. Nagaraj GK is the winner. Wow. Congratulations. You're taking home and you're going to be trading from this tomorrow. Thank you so much. Guys, give a big round of applause to Nagaraj. Thank you so much, Amit. Thanks for... Guys, and I think the Expresso team is here. I forgot to do one thing. So in case, if you guys are still thinking about opening the account or any questions, if you have, I think Amit will be happy to answer. If you have any queries regarding account opening or anything regarding the app, platform or anything, feel free to ask him. And we will also request you, the crowd wanted to get a demo of the product, so the bench. So can we schedule it sometime in the next week in a Zoom session wherein these guys can 1 or 2 hours? How many of you would be interested to know more about their products? Wow.
Just let me know the time. We will be there with Sachin, Chandresh, everybody there.
Guys, we will do a 2-hour session in the live markets. We will ask them to do a complete flow. So you can explain all the features which is available, because I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be impressed with some of the features, because when I started initially using it both for investing and trading, it has helped me a lot. It might help you. And since these guys are now being acquired by Mira, they have a bigger responsibility and they are going to be giving us all the good things what they have been expecting. So make use of this opportunity. And people who didn't get, some of you are mentioning it, you just needed to check your WhatsApp group. Just a minute. Okay. I think Raja has already shared the link today. So in case if you still wanted it, our man is right outside. We have like until 4:30. You guys are going. Oh, you're here till 6. Okay, then they are like in there till 6. You can address all your queries and everything, whatever that you needed it. And we will try to schedule a live session with the Expresso team explaining their features and everything next week. Next week is fine. Weekdays? Any particular preference day? We will avoid Wednesday because we have a Bank Nifty expiry. We'll Monday.
We are okay with any registration.
Okay, done. We will plan it and then I will announce it actually any day. Okay? Thank you so much, Amit. Look forward to seeing you all. Okay, the time is around 3 o'clock. This is the plan which you will be getting it. Okay, so we are providing the 3999 plan, 0 brokerage, the monthly blazes. And as I told you, the market has not been doing much. It's absolutely in the silent territory. Before we wind down, Mr. Kiran Kumar, are you here? Because his original driving license, I know how difficult it is to go back and get the driving license. That's a bigger problem. He has given me an Amazon Pay account. I can use it. And he has also given me some few cards. Here, Kala. Your registration number, right? Okay, great. So guys, the main purpose of this session is not only to educate, you needed to have the fun as well. The reason we wanted to have this quiz element is, we are not good at when we are just posing. When I'm posing with something, giving you options, then only our mind works. And in a normal market scenario, we don't look at so many elements which is there hidden. Okay, so when you're looking at the data, just don't blindly go by 1 or 2 elements. We have to look at it, all the elements which is there, so that it is easy for us to analyze and understand. Okay, so this particular session is an initiative towards that. We will try to do more and more sessions. We will try to do live sessions online and then at the same time offline as well. How many of you would be keen if we have a 3-day live session in Bangalore sometime in the future? So that we will try to plan. It will be in the live markets, 3 continuous days. and we will have like a good fun at the same time, 3 days of learning, and then we will do the other things. Okay. Sorry? With good internet, yes. Unfortunately, all these guys, when I go for it will cost you around 1,000, 1,500, but I will try to negotiate. Okay, because these guys are charging a bomb. Network works properly, right? Yes, that's we say, everybody's saying it's a 5G, but unfortunately we are even not getting the 2G actually sometimes. That's the challenge. That's the challenge, but yes, we will try to get at least the Wi-Fi arranged from the next meet. Because I thought with the 5G available, nobody would be requiring the internet. We all nowadays carrying the mobile hotspot, and then we are easily trading it. But next time we will plan for the internet as well. Maybe it might cost you another 1,000, 1,500 bucks more, but we will try to do it. But this event, let me tell you, we are not making any money. We are giving you the subscription. We would have spent almost literally half the money for the food and everything. So it is an event wherein I thought we should give it back to the society, and that's the reason we planned this OI Pulse India tour. We will be doing this across different cities in the coming months. So we have started with Bangalore based on the polling. The next 2 cities which is on the radar is Chennai and Hyderabad. Followed by that, we might go to Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, and other cities. But the next 2 which is on the pipeline is Chennai and Hyderabad. Which day you prefer? I like to do it on the live markets. Which day you prefer? Only Bank Nifty expiry or some other expiries as well? Sensex expiry, we all will do this. Only because Sensex expiry I can do it, but I cannot show you anything data there. I will show you one data, the market will do something. Monthly expiry. Okay, we'll plan something actually. Okay, I'll plan it on those days. So, are we ready for a group photograph? Okay. Can we all, I think one, you can take, full crowd is being taken from here. Oh, okay. Then can we have everybody to come forward to the stage? We will have a small group photograph. I don't think it is a small group. It is a big group photograph. Then we'll take it forward. Okay. I think one row can sit. One row can stand. Some row can come behind. I think it is one of the largest traders gathering, probably at least in a single day event. Good. Huh? Sure. Just give me a minute. I'll just pick up my phone. I am getting it.
Sir, one row, second row, kneel down.
You can do that. Prem, just connect that. Yes.
Second row, kneel down.
They are already done that. Okay, I don't need it to. Wow. It's a big, big crowd. Guys, come. We will take it. Suresh, you will be able to take the photos, right? Yeah. Raja, you take some photos from there, from the mobile if possible. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Let's give them another couple of more minutes. I think there is a bottle there. Be careful with that. It is about to fall. So how many of you made money today? Two hands, okay. Only those. Okay. Guys, even now, after this, like, I'll try to open the group for all of you, the WhatsApp group, whatever that we have created. So what I want you to do is engage yourself, share your learning. Don't promote any products or anything. That group is purely for learning. Try to share your learnings, whatever that you have been learning from the market. You can share your setup and other things. In case if someone is willing, we will also like and do some sessions later. Okay, so that way keep the group interactive, because you would have never seen 400, 500 people in your community, right, together. Now you are getting to see that in your local community you have so many people to trade. Share, that's important. Okay, don't keep it with yourself. Don't think that if I share my knowledge, I will lose. Never. Knowledge sharing is going to be the most important thing. Whatever that you do, keep it sharing. Okay, let's do a cheer there. 3, 2, no, some more. I think you needed to like jump above and then click 1 actually. You guys, come. My key army. No, I will take with you guys separately, don't worry. Guys, and let me tell you, you guys do not know behind the scenes activity. We got the hall last night at around 1:30 or 2. All the setup and everything was done before 6 or 7. And I needed to thank my team and then the JD Events, Suresh and team. You guys have done a tremendous job. So they got the hall in a limited time, and my team, most of the members, they haven't slept it for the last 2-3 days. Okay, and one interesting quote which came from my team is, earlier they used to say, right, arranging a marriage, doing a marriage or building a house is the most difficult thing. Now they said, sir, doing an event is also most difficult. Okay, so they had the tough time. We needed to thank them as well. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, all the way cheers! One more! 3, 2, 1, cheers! Okay, thank you all so much, guys. Thanks for the love. We will look forward to seeing you all pretty soon. Now you guys can go, have some coffee, come back. Any queries, I'll be here for the next 1 hour. You can post any queries that you have. And please plan the date.